UV Nation, I'm sorry again for breathing all heavy and loud when I do upload plays uh, on the games. I'm so sorry. I'm trying the best I can. I'm fucking sorry. I'm a loud ass motherfucking breather. But I am fat as heck and I'm sorry. I'm trying the best I can. But yes, I am trying to upload a video. So it'll be coming out really soon. Again, I'm sorry. I know it sounds creepy. I sound creepy because I'm fat as hell. But yes, again, I love you, UB Nation. Thank you for the 30 subscribers. Thank you so much for staying with me. I will be like pounding and working so hard on these videos, throwing it out there. Like I said, I only got 7 days and 6 nights because I go back to school next week, Monday. So, because then on, I probably won't upload videos until Saturday and Sunday. So, but yeah, thank you so much again. Mahalo. That means thank you in Hawaii. I love you guys and have a good one.